a member of the operation team, ama Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, ana wako jina nsuo we yapo ano na se Florida water se den de kura ne gu eto mu saa ana nsuo da no pe o se nyame boa abato ni nkwa awie ye de enipa ye be so ne nsa aka chense ono ana edi nkunim Dr. Mahmoud Baumia enti nsuo na no ana ode se Florida water ade na egu eto mu no they said dia nananom po libation ye gu nsa said dia sia no ye na dia man ya mesere se abrache na o ya saro ensuo na so chine ya se eba ne nchen di odware aso chine bande wo gwan edi a chow se baby abat for rekoro eye zo company mi no bia di abre for now there Kennedy DMB ana just a company ISSC Dr. Brian Jampon so na mu am kra mate se dombo family no ayi nama sembi oka keka am se hwe dombo family de masa as a buzi adankwa dombo tradition ye de nyoma bu abeka ye disassociate yourself ti ene na mu a Dr. Dutum so na mu Dr. Dutum so na mu sa afei engineer ojo Japan so na musa engineer kwabene Japan so na musa ana ise obia de ne de number bi a ken so menya de se onu so ene nam kroma is the last hour de wa ma wanya mra e de be yodo but His Excellency John Dramani Mahama kasa na nsa meba His Excellency John Dramani Mahama nsemo kan no there is Ade bi koso the oil marketing company OMCs no they say o hwe enra ye po program ana me sha se many aja akomo nam na ye hwe filling station ye hwe pumps no stands no in fact significantly go at your fu so bear 1 cedi 40 pesos omate so pa na anu mo na mo Star Oil so atene dia so more then we move to Total so atene dia so kakra and the competition between the OMCs no amo ma sha ase atitifu so because all call the world market currently because of Trump nyoma oil of Venezuela no and yehu emerging jump kakra ebem. But ye better see benya Copec for we will be talking to them. Is it the competition and yehu sa reduction here because sa driver for pa beka. I'm not surprised say yanya ya fro tro ne dia keka ho no ye ask for reduction of TNT. I was my memory self me right. I think 2002 basically yanti fu aso tentem says afin kwa yesim so hwe margin na se ne yesi ba for me just ba for ma but maka say for some time now yati so be 11 cedis also say from say ye who be since 2002 pa and the people are calling for say anka be ya community TNT so ayashanti abo so but what GPRTU ne Concerned Drivers Association also saying they say Ura Mazi se ura swamia Ura boso kaya I spare pass hono so muntete so contrary to the aboso kan for beka say because of air stabilization and now the reduction in what effects in him you see the ahoden enya nti there's already the ahoden even somewhere December which is on characteristics of a year Ghana say a bedroom December na won't say yen FX and I see no again strength against the dollar. I agree say do baby in December what then sankakra but God being so good and they so share the rate now I want the central bank as a close of business yesterday now and I'm 10.4 10.5 thereabout It tells you say a swat from 11 now be do 10. And you significant, a very significant decline. A dollar no. A shower hodia and also. So if say you can't say it's a driver for petition to a it's not far from fetch and yes bonny cry because full war aber from let us be honest. Me the ebrebias ya to full moi. Now driver focus on beto Shentia Boba, I always support them. But sa quina yadi atumu no. Yadi tum yamfa sa quina so. Yadi better so. And you can driver for that. But the truth of the matter is say, I was a get teso. Because significantly, ya tifu so. Yepa. But we come dear ma future ne be a bear can say. Venezuela and Sama Shas Yeban. And Trump want to take over. So oil industries, the oil companies now on by investing and all that. Trump na nkasana. But whatever the case be, currently you a strength in our city. And yet himself the major factor back the strength of the city when it comes to a yes a year to Fangua. Arapebe no. Excellency John Dramani Mama, I can't simbi. Now some kind say young IMF biam I want no na pencil. But I say we yati be down. Okay. But the entire John Dramani Mama.
To a level that no succeeding government can reverse. In a region where democracy is backsliding, we must demonstrate that democracy works. I can assure Ghanaians also that we will not relax the current fiscal discipline and efficient management of the economy, even in the election year of 2028. It must be the 17th and the last time that Ghana goes for a bailout from the IMF. To a level that no succeeding government can reverse. In a region where democracy is backsliding, we must demonstrate that democracy works. I can assure Ghanaians also that we will not relax the current fiscal discipline and efficient management of the economy, even in the election year of 2028. It must be the 17th and the last time that Ghana goes for a bailout from the IMF. To a level
so,
that no...
So that is His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Our Kasafa IMF. Where indicators na elho nyina. So where inflation aba single digit. Or GDP. Or any other indicator you can think of. Currently, you're positive. Ghana. But are possible? Say you IMF BM. Nina ebe jina so. But kind of for react can be. So that time now all the indicators were good. They were positive. Okay, BB Yenche kind of for react the former finance minister. Now Amawa Kakaiwo about some of these things.
The minister said, we are not going to the IMF. Whatever we do, we are not. The consequences are there. We are a proud nation. We have the resources. We have the capacity. Don't let anybody tell you. Like when Joshua, Caleb, and 10 others went to spy on the promised land. And only 2 of them came to say that we can do it. And the 10 went around the community murmuring, you can't, da. We are not people of short sight. The minister said, we are not going to the IMF. Whatever we do, we are not. The consequences are there. We are a proud nation. We have the resources. We have the capacity. Don't let anybody tell you. Like when Joshua, Caleb, and 10 others went to spy on the promised land. And only 2 of them came to say that we can do it. And the 10 went around the community murmuring, you can't, da. We are not people of short sight. The minister said, we are not.
All right. And that was the then finance minister. Ken Oforiatta emphatically. Now, another video of the that time deputy finance, but me more for certain reason. May his soul rest in peace. I don't want to bring back memories. And also emphatically, and also that time deputy minister for finance, member of parliament, my Jesu, I can emphatically say young IMF. Now, I think going forward, about some of these presentations, now you more with the graph because as a student of economics, no, now student of finance, no, I me per graph no proper, no what you see. Okay, I never acquire my time equal IMF. As I Kwame baby, yan physical consolidation. Where ebedru baby na Ghana government abaya wosono. On to me and sustaining the finance. And to share the financial budget about every year. Budget deficit in kwa na wo ho no. Na ye nya kwan bi a betimi dia control. Edru baabi no ekakra ye de a wo se yetua no na ba ye bibie ho. Yem balance of payment support na ba ye bibie ho. And to all the indicators were not helping us. So our debt sustainability na emini. And the bedroom baby na ye po yempo. I say a call for help. And a my call IMF. But sir abai financially disciplined. Now ye budget no, ya stay within our budget. Ya ma SSs uncalled SSs be a ma. Then Ghana make to market say we don't need IMF. But abaye twam ne dru baby no. Na afei yam budget e be ye di abro so de ehu de edi be ye hu de edi scan be. Every time so over some of these projects are may there be obvious are ben bia anye hwe it is a lie. The past government did a lot. But the nyama bi o it was avoidable. So our current state you don't live like an Arabian king. Sad time yemra no nyama bi o mo ye ya na ye hia. Ano anema ye call DDP no. Ano na ma wo hu sa haircut sem no e ba ya affected the New Patriotic Party in so many ways. And he said, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say, "Yan kwa IMF biema. It is enya kasa na because kasa ni de ya TBA say IMF yan ko. Obi finance minister, former finance minister Ken Oforiatta say OSP hwehwani. Edru ba bi say there is a dire consequences. There is a dire consequences. Ye hu ya say akwaje IMF 6 billion ye ba be chaman. Ni nyina mu no ye koye. Ne kwa IMF afa kra ye ba ni aba hu keketwa. Duru ba bi kra levi kra hu keke ni etwa nyina. IMF ye kwa ba ye bedi dokono party. And it's not about kasano. It's about financial discipline, staying within your budget. And His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is not about kasangwa. It is possible. Ebet maye ho. But yanhwe ya na yanya financially disciplined. As the person says something, na saban the bay because we have to learn from the past. And yama ye ya amboye no. Baby do baby cry no. Nyoma ye here, you know. Cathedral at that time, Bible say o do when now kan nye nyina was a fatayin. It wasn't necessary. Na hu here. But ye buya ni gu so yes anyoma we nyina. And that was our downfall. Kwame Jako asa tena Kwame. Anopen komo rem mame.
Obeni me da se. My ensanche atiefo biem na ye no mo ase. Se wo mo ni yen edi juma no pai. Na Kwame, the Udia UCCI, which the president was saying, say, that should be the last time they Bekwakupimu or IMF. To me, the Nkameka say, Nkoma, say Ghana Nibia Tia was say, ye may ni edge na a wiki a spirit up, say now we're not going to any body bia manem betre yen kwan e befaso ade esika manem betre yen kafra sebi nyansa a ye de befaso de bu ye man. If indeed we've agreed na ye say ye a sovereign country a eni wo kwan senka yetutu mrika 1 2 3 1 2 3 ne yɛkɔ obi hɔ sɛ ɔnkɔ kyerɛ yɛn kwan yɛbɛfa so abu yɛ man Kwame na wo ka asɛm bi na mpɛ sɛ mede wei ɛsɔ so sɛ Ghana no ye taxe the citizens ye taxe timemufo ye taxe like a poor country kwan ye fa so gi tax kwan ye fa so taxe amamfo gigi sika de firi omo no ye taxe like a poor country ye wia na ya spend it like a rich country ye taxe like a poor country ye wia na ya spend it like a rich country. Because what nasi I want now juni wa want yasi say sainti ena omaya dani denyina yesu say ye ho kire yen nanso se ye kase ye kwako ye project bi ye kase ye kwako tu ana mo bia always what we think about is inflating the prices of the project na ye kwako ye se ye kase bia ye kwako ye ekwan e wo ha ye kase bia ye kwakosi school dan wo ha ye kase bia ye kwakosi hospital wo ha ye kase bia ye kwakoye project bi wo ha Kwame sika ye de be wuram si ye kwakoye no ya na eye times 3 than the actual amount na ye here say you spend it because we who say private sector be na adwin say or kwako embark on the same project aban e kwakoye or be spend less. But say koba say abayanka say kwako yes our project na Kwame times 3 times 4 times 5. Why? And this IMF na de bia ye kono. Kwame, one, it is because of economic mismanagement. Economic mismanagement. You have your poor physical discipline. You spend it excessively. You spend it as if there's no tomorrow. You spend it as if ye wo sika no shete da so broso enunti ye dia ye mfa ho meanwhile Kwame yes spending so we are not spending on projects so a edim faso ana edi sika be den e be san ba back e dia brain aso man yo ye nyesa spending no ye nya careful spending no on your national year project ahodo bi a ye be ka say be embark on Kwame as see as external shock ki tu ebinya bape obe se na akaye external shock ki tu ebinya bape na ye ho kire because ye ntrase as a country plan say o man no ye di free ha ye ntoto ya ye nie se ba cocoa sector kwan we ne e foso na fe cocoa no ya add value to it ye dey call international marketer. Now we won't allow international market to dictate to us. Sika was what the mine. Me, Kwame, me na me do kuku. Me wia me dia brown se water. We are watching me say me kuku na me de brown no say na abetono. We don't add value to anyama hodua ye producing wo krom ha. Ye producing raw. And it has never occurred to us that yentena se ni enwini say anyama na ye produce no Cote d'Ivoire so produce bi ebia Burkina so produce bi ebia we so produce bi ye de no bibiki to aben ye betumi de aka ho a be different from your neighboring countries no de omu produce anampo say USA say Arab countries anahefa so omu produce bi a de ne ye de ka ho a ebe ma dance wo mu na manfo apeye de no. We don't do that. The Ebeya say, yeah, dear, oh, cocoa na nyaba. I say, excuse me to say this. I say, I do beans near Brawie. Na say, would you call German so? Ha, open tamako do sika because what do I? We don't see it to it say, ya do beans na wie. Yet nasi, yes, she beans no research actually and see betumi adane no. Nebia ya yen package fufura. Ya di ko German so a. And a beans there, but a different product altogether. We don't do that. The raw materials we export them like that. Not womana kwa tenase kwami. No more kwa tenase. No more the imagine for who add the value to the de abromono. Omu we are no masan dane the nina the abrayen. na fe omo ba be kire yen de omo de bre no se kwan be fa si aton de amaye. You see, I think it is time say as a country yet on a round table. Na ye deep consultations because emrofo no ba ha musua de free enchen. Emrofo no ba ha no ma omo pikin nioma ba ku mienu bi de free enchen no mo de akoye omo man yi. Mi bisa say yen ye call mo ho no ma, what do we learn from them? And when we learn from them near ba ha no ma, e die anamoni etu di fa ho. Anasa ye de say ye call ho no ma eye ye fe ye kwa hwe omo man no say no musi ye no ye ba ya na ye de ba beji France Sompa ena me kwa bruchiri ena na no me kwa Canada ena na no me kwa USA ena ma visit almost these countries. Now visiting these countries as a diplomat no e de na wusua de free mu de baye. Visiting these countries as the minister for either foreign affairs, minister for agric no uko idea na uko sua di firi omo aso ye se agric no kwan wei e na omo fa so ayi omo dia enu nti wo agriculture no e koso yi wo ye minister for trade no kwan ben e na uko ye no uko sua na ma ba ko mienu di firi ho nti wo ba o de ba hanom. Tourism minister oko honum no niema e attractive e ma manfo visit honum no omo ko honum na de bia mo munya sika no je na wo add to yenso ye de wo hanum. And Kwame, it is like say ye hanum no, we have all the natural resources na nyame de ache na nka de ehia ne sebe ye de adwene kakra be bata ho ne pay a way out na nka yatumi anya sika, but we don't do that. Kwame we ye wo forest ahuduo pi ne water bodies ahuduo pi a wo say ye coastal lines ya Kwame wo kwa brochire said de omo ye Dubai ne nasefo ya. Equally we can do same here. Sa coastal lines ni omo mountains no ne forest no said de omo turning no into tourist places are attractive to visit. But there had you no yes, ye bubu nua na tutu nua na se ni na basre ensuo no so no yes no bola na ye di egum se twi. Why are we doing this to ourselves as a nation? Why? Nti ade a efe enye ye fe. Nana mpese mi bisa say the basis for which the president eka say yensa nko IMF bim no ene de ehe. Ya drew baby ya drew ye gina ye nan so as o man na, because we've had the former president and Ade Akye Abia so be can say we ene be the last time I be call IMF na the basis or they can say e de. We've had kind of tape no na boss see no say ye nko IMF da na e will dire consequences then yes akoy. Now the question emanates, dey benti ne ye call IMF dia your physical discipline ne nasefo no eye adwuma eye intact na fe ye nioma nyina be hu se ededa ne kwan so, but se ye nya free IMF pe Kwame sa niema no ye hu biem, sa discipline ye hu biem na ni nyina ba be ye funtum frams. Is it to say sorry mpenifo amuteme, is it to say without this IMF intervention no ya yentumi nwene as wo man ya yentumi take prudent decisions bia and what positive effect our timemufo so ne economy no so ana. Is it to say black man is not capable of managing his own affairs ana? Is it to say emrofo no de womo ya smart tay ana? Like why I didn't know ye di a watem ese ma ho kwan ama eye mrofu yi ese di attempts are. And you have the likes of Trump no mo omo kasati ayen na ebinumo kan no mo refer say Africa is a shithole country. Such words indeed. So omo kasaya ya empushi ye mpenifo no enka bribi nchro mo say these people they no mo ka kire ye no almost the omo bedi almost enura hodo a womo beye no masande abakrom ha almost gold ne oil ahodo bia no dodo na firi ye hanom de enti no omo se di atem nanka yen tnase na yen wrap your head around niema embako mienu bia eye significant betumi de positive impact their brain economy their mayana. It is time I was a giant NPP ni NDC our politics no. I was a giant because NDC ya the NFA MPP feel say oko support to NDC na ya ye be ka so the party ni a week one to me anye sanso na MPP so ya de na say FA instead say obeba be bona baso na nipa na de no oye no obeko so aye no aye ni yie no there be near the politics and I wait and say ade ba ko so amasa hu ni say Kwame say ye acknowledge past administrations say oh on the two and among we ye and na yanso ye be so mu ye ni say there be ye nim sa da ne ye ade ba ko amasa hu ni say ye ge ideas there free ye mpanifo ahodo either so we ye party mo na oni ye party mo no ase ye den ase ya boye ndua ase ye yes na like abema wo kandini na wo ye no enimu bisa. I think it's time we have to consult. We have to do broader consultations. Nothing ye nimpeni for who do din komo irrespective of the background or political affiliation or colors who belong to no. I was seeing who say adwene ni ba ku for trim. Adwene eni ba ku for team. We have to jojo. We have to share ideas. Where what's it? Ye de abasobode mano yemfama. Say NPP and yemfa abasobode momo. Say NDC ne yemfa abasobode momo. Yemfa politics no to change. We have a country what's it? Ye near bo. Ye war a country. What's ye near to ye near my year near my see.
Mama na said na ye ready messages makacho say. O message no obetimi de afa WhatsApp line sanso na ko Facebook or the buy back in camera WhatsApp line is 05094385000 mami ko Facebook na Miriam Aba WhatsApp line no only under the NDC do we see currency depreciation, lower deported inflation and a very high cost of living. In 2024 inflation was 25%. Yet it is now said to be 9%. However, the price of common finance has increased from 3 cities to 5 cities. Chicken, which cost 180 cities in 2024, now cost 300 cities, despite the so-called 9% inflation. Under this inflation, teachers and nurses who work for 12 months were paid for only 1 month. University fees have increased by 25% and house rent have also gone up. This government is using the media and blackmailing pastors with position to remain quiet about the signs of the LGBT bill and galamsey issues. Greetings to Dr. Baumia and Chairman Ade Akye Abia. We a free teacher kojo tepa enyina su. Na oyibo watching say nebehi all indications shows that Dr. Baumia is winning. Okay, so oyibo watching atuma nebehi no di freeba. All indications shows that Dr. Baumia is winning the NPP presidential primaries. With God victory, it is possible. The Baumia factor, hashtag the Baumia factor. Greetings to Honorable Amwa Awuku Michael, Ashanti Regional MPP Secretary Hopeful, Oyibo Wating Nebehi. And then, way free, Ajalisa Ebenezer. Ebenezer say, Asemo, we are not going to IMF. MPP dear, my own party, but never again. Greetings to Sunyani East MP. Fantastic. Okay, Ebenezer, thank you so much. Na memra WhatsApp ne so WhatsApp no say. Wait, yana do dia say. Okay, wait, Father SK from Kenya si Kumasi. Father say, good morning, Kwame and Eric. It saddens my heart that MPP and NDC have done a great disservice to Ghana. So far as projects continually are concerned, both parties always pay lip service. Father SK from Kenya say, Father, thank you so much. also message anopay also ode aba no and the answer when message is in baba no na yaje akenkan na also adwenkyere no ode abanti ya Sompa 93.1 FM oko follow o like no share na afei odo comment no enso aba ya kenkan e de ama wo ya bakọ regions no yera Ghana hagina na enera yera mu no numbers no ay active ya ba pay ya be fa course no by region mesra otienie obia region bia benya ne time enti wo Greater Accra region nya aboche time ni dura producers wo ha mu chocho na ya pa no ye di amount oka o problem no specific area say be ya ye kọ ne kwa akwaje response na ye benya ne ye ye dura Ashanti region mayen sa bono east half na so mayen sa the three northern regions Savannah mode and also so aka ho enti ya ba Meriam our Savannah and the northern region no afi be ko T Volta Greater Accra ni Eastern ye benya abotre so awuram wo Central region and Western and Western North afi ye be awuram sa bono east half na afi ya awuram Ashanti region enti per wo de ne to ho WhatsApp so ade be 0509 438-500 0509-438-500 na anopay wa o how ne say no ode aba o how said the chebia yereram na yaman painful we make sure that we put them on their toes. The district chief executive, the MMDCs, mayors, and then MCs, regional ministers, member of parliament. Baby be was here no ye bia. Yet but I don't pay mommy fast in a case my 21st clinic. In fact, Ghana had ye Africa ne West Africa nyina. Obia say eye de sciatica expert. Sciatica no obi be hunu ye. Because obi de ba no obi nso asua bi. But o peti brekese no odi anyini na ankasa de a eye 21st clinic. One nekoye won research. Ana on say sa ya de na obi wa na metisia ekwem sa abesi mi na se no ya de ben no so yen kwai yen research ya de we no okay say na the ho adro by 21st clinic adopa yen branches no edoso kuma say oba Sompa TV ase ha ya ho no more doctors na bene rough na ohwe mabawa na omunya TikToker nurses oba founder baby omu ye adwuma gidigidi eti aropa bomaden se oba ehwa overseas udru yene afa radio station ne ben so na obo ase monko cancel quarters call junction Accra so monko dome market mubehu branches no edoso sunyan oba teaching hospital Kane regional hospital yene ne dia no hwe enkransa tachiman order frey 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 sa enso na frey 0249 311 311 ya bejo so eye de sciatica especially so say ya de bia so ya hwe ya de bia 21st ehwe na enye ya de bia keke ya de ne ba ya betiniti ye tu ase e de amount aropa the best bank make come for amount sa bank we o ma lower interest no very minimal. The only Bank of Ghana, the central bank, di on so. Enotina dropping rural bank about 40 years. 4 decades. We are still counting. And yasam ketwa. Atonsu agency no I ready so serve one pay. But more na ebra head office. Head office no Asante dropping. Your branches no our dropping. Your just so your onye. From a swabe hu ye ho bonre Sepetimpom Roman Hill adeshiman ye ho sanso na about New Road ye pankrono sanso ne wo aboaso oba ye branches ni nyina services no the same yen services no the same now tie we asempa law no abama mo amoko fast spare pass eni so ye stranded asempa law no di wakaginamu ebuama wona oye wholesalers Kranyoma ba upeskashi business medru baby aye o de ene job in rural bank nka say be sort out job in rural bank aba ama wo ti bomode answer obeba na ya show ekwan sonko so within 12 hours nya process bibia na ya ma cash or cash are ready also dia kwa kodu djuma. That is job in real bank for you. Arapai oba palone yey e ma makam ho abomu odwomu ye dwa bojwa mu digwa kakaka wonke kamakam ho abomu ekuo no momra ya mam loan mam so mo de ye adwuma e ma am wo into business mo odwomu trade ni nyina ya ma loan interest no ewo form ka na so ye savings ye current account deposit ye savings account deposit ye fixed deposit ye microfinance susu ye shares ya float ya upe biato one of the shares are auto returns they are very high sanso na your dachi investment dachi ni de jakuna di mirikane koye bi masa dachi investment no e ma wo secure wo dachi so kokra anope bomode ya netwi ben for 0544745856 0544745856 and 0274643227 na anope brain na yendi wakejina mu atonsufo ye agent no aye ready e wo high school junction ho atonsu station ho na be hu yen agent no anope Kingdom Herbal Center cover by omu anade Kingdom garlic capsules and bitters yenim ne dada bo adwuma gidi e make sure so system no eye adwuma o mean system no gina ho asojafo wo body ni mu eye adwuma eye Kingdom garlic capsules na eno eye immune booster sa eduro no yare o onyare o so pebi eni so yare ansa no pebi eye Kingdom garlic capsules and bitters obo capsules na bo bitters no eka ho eboa ama numbness ekọ o hodma se why o titiri hu ase de na eba body mu ohuru hu ya ohia Kingdom garlic and capsules and bitters anopai also has stroke how wakoma bontentem wanya akoma yare masa wanhwe ya dako penal ko blackout ohia garlic Kingdom garlic capsules and bitters afei Kingdom ginseng power makacho se wi asenhwehwemu de akacho se ginseng yemantini no na mema no se de kantini na I no show you anything I show you entini eno na edi wakagina mu usisi na ye oya afei oyoba na ohodom na se ho enhyada nyo ya onya ginseng ani bi na waste nsem ni na akọ we no mema no pa na tanu mu wa dwen wo ho na yon tenta o aso refill ho o mental stress mu a Kingdom ginseng power capsules eno anedu akagina mu tremendous capsules ne de naturally formulated say a battery di a man sabi ahimfi ho no nya yi na say 2x4 nyoma nya yi mema ba ho anom kwanya ofie beye na ye o sometimes engine no also check it onya tremendous capsules infections ni nyina afei menstrual disorders January about 5th afei February na akoba be 24th nsisi so enye afei oyam hyeso so wato accurate ye test aya oyam hyeso eduro sa dia babra ohia tremendous capsules and they do akagina mu beso opedodo no atua opedodo no atua okọ Kingdom Herbal Center Okanshe Drug Lane oba leading pharmaceutical shops ni nyina ene herbal shops ni nyina obenya bi ato oman mu nyina 0597 298 855 0597 298 855 na ebre na yemwao enso ewo ho yentwa ehomra na yenkwa ahoma so yene etiefo ani nkomo ani ye ni nyina ready na yemfa course no wo how anything anope ma yente wonka yenkwa the first region yeram anope regional upper west upper east northern region anope ho na yede ani che enti so wo upper west upper east the three northern regions now how and say dia na kwaso area ho line is 0548 931 0548 931 afei 0551 931 931 wei oni region nim na afra nyabotre yebewura region nim na so wamane no waka ni apɛ ho solutions e de amount but currently there ye kwa akohwe yeduamomo upper west upper east and north east no northern regions no ana ye hwe mu anopa ya ye wi na ya ba region ti said your region tie bia nti mo amwo sa area ho no encroachment ho ni nyina ene ma wo hu ni se ade we de e wo se ye fi we nya amanyosem eye de how ana wo ba beka o friends so without insult na waka wasem ye bebo awuram sa area ho DC ho MP ho regional minister ho technocrats no mo ho no I was no mudi nkoma we will find the reason why edru na I was ye ramu a na ye de ram e de amount and that is how I feel ye ba be ye no ye ba Wednesday ano passe ya ye tenasia the first thing be ye say response ye frefre ye nya ye no anyone that was ye no on kasa life no na ye no on akasa and ye babo awura region bia mu ye keka bomu a na ye de amount but ye ra region mu na meka o say RSYD Novigi Studios omo anase say the ajo matum say aya wedding program bia so pese streaming ene de keka ho a omo adaroma omo ana eba betwa video no e de amount kama na o baby na pese o ye podcasting na podcasting nyina omo cameras na ani da ho a omo so e hwe na omo shoot e de amount eti o ye wedding o ye sofo wa sorry mu ye program na pese from a baby a obi o mbeba from 057 471 5778 057 471 5778 and 030 397 4822 030 397 4822 na also so anyone kasa na oni wakaginamu na sharon so say ye free northern region pe na ye de ani enso eba bechem ewo greater Accra any eastern region ye free op ye de ani bechem greater Accra any eastern region eho ebe next junction enso ewo ho eho an ebe next spot ye ho na train no ebe gina ede amayen anopai enso na wahye ne so na me can for Dimpa Natural Health Clinic about Dimpa Natural Health Clinic omu an specialist say about stomach ulcer say H pylori say ye ulcer type bia omu akwadare mu a omu hwew just ulcer there this is one fan for Dimpa cause enya so buy so aka che so ulcer anya ye ma odru da bi your labs wo ho a your scan wo a ye twitwade ya ma na mo hye no so say ye wo Dimpa building nim Dimpa building wo Kumasi Kenya ase brofo yedu otra bo sorry junction de pa bo se signpost ni si ho onya dru signpost no a o de friend 0245 118434 adansi die free Dimpa Natural Hair Clinic bano osa die masa onfa osa nkomma da sa enso so na infertility awo obi won so odi atinka osemi de mini feelings da bi libido na akolo bomode a de be wura mo Dimpa Natural Hair Clinic yete ne te e de amount na ye labs no ya man ko ba bi nko ye lab ma ye ni nyina bi oscar na hodo nyina so ye twa bi ho na nyame boa na anya beduru ho ma ye hwew ma accurate diagnosis ama won so ohun atopa a enye asem kitwa ye nwura mu wo Greater Accra any eastern region Greater Accra Eastern Region 0548 931 931 0548 931 931 afek 0551 931 931 yenhwe area na yamwa ensema ekoso ewo ho na ye manage enyoma. Ghana attractive under Mahama. Ghana attractive under Mahama. Government greetings to Honorable Wisdom Osei Buama MC Atwuma Nwabieja South. We every Benji Mfensi Seria anadi we every eba na anopen so enchiani bi enko Emma Henry Osei Kakari so the message enso so aba Henry Osei Kakari. We are moving to the regions yeje Ohaw ne say Henry Kakari and a director of research Udru regional on the message so aba anope for MPP eti yewuramusa na yeje region so say o Greater Accra ni Eastern yenko ahoma ne so na yenhwe enkomo no sedie esitie. Oh, hello, good morning.
Hello.
Open din ba bia akasa free. Adom Philip. Okay.
Free Accra.
Accra here first
East Logon.
Okay, my entio.
If I show the person can say, Mr. MPP4, on my by the tour. Or when you have a trip, the event to a party Nakasa. A corner as a tree and guys from Inflona, Yentu Abana Sujim, the 2 years, you never eternity, not Tabanama.
And to how ya about one. Oh, how near about one says to Jebeba. Mate, I say, at the Greater Accra Eastern Region, OT and Volta region. O OT, O Volta, O Greater Accra, O Easterner. 0551 931 931. Hello, good morning.
Whenever.
Open you did baby akasefri.
Of a well near them about for picture today. Drug with you. A year La Paz.
Okay.
I
don't pay until how way.
But I say, a branch airport actually one of my filling station bill. I get if you will filling station actually.
A branch airport at you honum.
Aha.
Filling station or honum. Okay.
I just baby if you want to.
Okay.
I hope I will see I just baby. I want to have my picture today. They put one up away.
Good.
Papa, the mama of Shapa. Na Master Yanko Ponce. Then I mean, your prime minister by MPT. Yanko Ponto is supposed to go me again. Say, in the city, I were winning so there's no contest. But I say, mere formality and see a coin. Papa. I may have say 2017, 2018 by this time. Now, I buy a banana the Donko Kufato, President Papa buy a waba. Now, the major campaign promise for if FCS no lunch. Of a Mikutao, about with major campaign promise. A year 24-hour economy. 133 Juma Bako, almost the Pamiasa and a baby, leave a conopa, a dear Kozia, a dear Conacho. Then I'm a slow my journalist to wait me a boy. I'm going to show my lunch July 2nd, 2025. I'm going to show my lunch. After lunch and offer, what do you want to pay? A year 24-hour economy. I need my hand after. Of a 24-hour economy.
And you how any say, Ankasa?
Of a man, 24-hour economy, almost some of the bank and a form of Bunaye. I ended a year unemployment or Ghana. I was in fact. Me how no, 24-hour economy. Of I was in fact.
May I say, thank you. And the fact Greater Accra, Eastern, OT and Volta, o area one, a how and your busy when you tro. They are my producers, no, juma. Because the last time, local government for local government minister Shia, MMDCs, no, Obu almost say, and remember, you find more attention, and they can be everywhere, which is understandable. Because assembly man be all cry. Area no hono tu kwan ana sabi we free mu enti mun share the new representative bia okwa ma asemamam enti saa ahaw no ne ye pese ye then we work on it ne ahwe kwan a ye befa so a empanyimfo the appropriate headquarters ebete na wow ye campaign dia abato ba beto dia o MPP ni a wonim ba bia e beso fe no And I say, yes, na the defense is so the dreary. It is oh, how now you see how it is your Greater Accra, Eastern Region, and then Volta. Now, for your room, Uti, where your regions are, I don't pay your room as you said, come on. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. How they say?
Morning.
Mami, how they say?
Make a free Achim Oda.
Achim Oda. Achim Oda or region, baby. Eastern region, okay. My auntie or Papa.
But you, teacher training in the because I'm saying, a mother that, yeah, Bema, if you're more, maybe move will be young, into spirit is no one, and yes, I.
My mentee was a what's it teacher training?
Yeah, teacher training, but I'm training, or we face will be any hope. Until time young, unfortunately, the whole maybe time, be young woman, the work where life gadgets committing the trap. So you don't cause out the breaker. You don't get a million for baby and so most provide this key to my.
And our security now want to say, and you cry.
And you cry, street lights, no comprehension, and you will come to
teacher training, your friends saying.
Methodist College.
Methodist College. All right. Yanasi. Yebedi hu juma ma. Why? Producers actual. Yebedi hu juma the amount buncho na yenra mo Eastern region hodum. Or say Methodist Training College meboa. And yebedi hu juma ma. Or say security system ne hon. Enye kra afei kania ho so emwa wo mu. Enti Greater Accra Eastern region. Oti ana Volta region ana say yeje de hamu na ya pe ho anu ye e de amamu na eno ya regions a ye hwe cases a ho na yenra region for from yenra region for friends yenyina Eastern region wa kakra yenra Eastern because region na ho de doso o Greater Accra o Eastern o Oti afei waram ko Volta region Dawson. And yenyina kakra 0551 931 931 0551 931 931 ana 0548 931 931 0548 931 931 Greater Accra Eastern region Oti region afei yaram so ko aya Volta yeduamwa omo Volta region na yeji omu how ano pay the hawa o de eba ye free hwa na chese ye bra ya TS Central and Western and Western North ye free Greater Accra and Eastern na Central for mo boabo ho Central Western and Western North region omu so yaji omu how form na say yenram sehwi akontomra sehwi dabi so de babiani de ka ha yaba beje bon so mo hawa ewo hodum eti yemmonwram wo Central region Western region afei Western North region babiani sehwi all the sehwi kroni na dwabo so akontomra all the omo sa area ho ni na me mama otepa otiangre Central region Western region I say enwa Western North region mo hwe free ho no mo mayentemu issues no free ho from Central Western North say ho no Western North na ebeka Western region ho anti Western North for na atu ho abe Western North ama ho no abeye mienu say yenya 16 regions ho enti ye wura ho no 0548 931 931 055 931 931 it you can how na be emphatic be yes specific area no say be ya ye behu enipa ye de no ebedi nkomo yenya anu ye enso e dia bro yen region by region ti ukwada bia ye benya abotre e de amount ye ba the first 10 minutes response a ye nya free areas ni nyina na wa ba betie ye be kire ode e koye de ye kohu ye de nti abasa ene anamotu a omu etu efa ho ye de nyina e ba betudwa na wo se ejesa wo kan wasem keke asem no wo kan no na ye je aye e de amount if say wo how do nye say wo be kan how no kwa but we want to work say oh how now wo kan ye nya anu ye e de amount or some of these appointees in bi o wa mo mutuja on va say bibia ye okay o so wa mo mutuja enwurawura mu a saa de den ha wo district o na be koso ahaw and sometimes odama ye citizen vigilante never right ma ekoso area ni hood wo odi wani hwa and another kind say you have to be a citizen and not a spectator ti bibi wo ho a na uhu a emfa nhye ho we are here to serve you ti ebe die o say ye di team no kra ba hodum if you have to go there ye be ba hodum and God being so good say terawa media na ekese eti terawa media no odru takwa ye odru takrade odru ye can say doma odru Nkransa
ne Accra
odru sunyan
yes
ze ashita baby
and
the correspondent your team no ho boy adwuma wadre
and Kwame this is what we're going to do this year say your day response ankasa de my tiefo nti so mo frɛ say no kire say bia ni krum say we na asi no sometimes enya no nko ye wie ya reporter wo hodom no Kwame ne afrɛ no say onko my first hand information ten so ko honum ko hwe say hanom ye ka say school dan bia ye sei hanom ye ka say kwan bia ye sei hanom ye ka say eye amena bi da ba bia ebetumi akunipa hanom ye ka say ko na fa wani kokohwe na fi watwa mfoni ne ya mayen sabe ya when we are approaching the authorities no Kwame get the video evidence say Ghana you say evidence is the name of the game ti ba ekutan ne ya ba be kiro na fe ya bisaw sentia ade no etisa
post ni bi say evidence is photo
yes evidence is photo this 2026 aye wura mu no de Kwame yan konkoye armchair journalism no de bi ye ne wa
say armchair de
debi
eni emoja
debi eni emojam ye de ye ntesa
me kai krobia na omu so ba bi omu network nya kra
yes
so mu frɛ ye na wo say ye kokuro du so
no kwasem
na kuro no
ane
ka nko ho ti de betim dia kwa ibo
moto me kai pa ane me kai pa
and just so yes
but yes and so Kwame omu nya muaye ede ma omu ede no what I say omu nya muaye ede ma omu how no enti ba bia wo bia se wo Greater Accra northern part of Ghana se wo eastern wo bono east a half region a hefa na wo ode ka wo how no e kire yen ana say de munam wo honom as a district or municipal say metropolitan anampo institutions no kra bi Kwame omo honom wo how
yeah
the institutions no be you can call us mo frɛ na ye beba na ye ba behwɛ e how no because when Kwame ebi wo be frɛ be ka kire say we ni we asi wan hwɛ ye wan ni echi ankwankoye say de o kan sa neti a obekwa ko pie penimu na nimu no na penimu na ba be kire say oh ade na o meka nsisa nti wo de wa fa wani ko hwɛ na koye say kwan a wo fa so ni penimu ne be ankoyie ti we de wo kan ya ye be send your correspondent no makọ say there was say you take video evidence and you take into your company for no wa before company for no na ya present it na di ho nkomo
Kwame mame ko bono east and a half I hope I got it right. Bono east and a half. Yera Bono region. Bono east. Afei a half. I forgot so Bono east. Techimine Bono Sunyane. Yera ho 0548 931 931 0548 931 931 0551 931 bia be fine o dey no worry cry bono east a half omo and ye drawn so and it's our Bono region or Bono East. Touch my name in Potamo, Bono region, Sunyain in Potamo, a fay or a half, which is God so, then in Potamo, God so feed them, then they kick out home. Young Kwa Homana so that young fomo. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Open you dinner baby Aka free.
But your friend was simple with free gozo.
I say, yet you free gozo.
But you now the with a cuckoo, my organ hano. You mean the same cuckoo scouina. There was a bunch of cuckoo was saying, and what I can say. Could be a pot of cuckoo, and say cuckoo scabby where the mother.
Matty, I say, me that say, I say, so dear, about cuckoo. Tibo Joe said, dear, the tour. Bono region, Bono East, and a half 055 1931 931 0548 931 931. I say WhatsApp no one will say, but I'm going to comment in him where you found any 050 9438 50 WhatsApp on Kwame so 050 9438 500. Ma yantonka na yehu dia koso ewo area dia ma how there say oh how anything ti ma yehu how na aropay team no are ready to serve you from that area. And Kwame, that is what is going to happen. Yes. That's what is going to happen.
Yes, Kwame. You see from the here say Kwame ye ni ankasa so ye ba hodom no ye beba. Because was a penifone who say they've been put to these places say omba servo where the privileges given to them say you have more accommodation, you have more we oh babesum to say how no ewo hwa na ehiase ye ba na ase a beba won chen e beba fom ho ne wa ba be din komo ye bisa odi enti a how no eda so ewo ho na muntumi entu ho anamon e bia me kai kura so wo panimo no so watu anamon e dia kwa kopie bebi ena muaye mai ba bia wo tu anamon du yen so we will go further to that place no mo so ye kwa kopisa omo because once Kwame e how no bi wo ho e ye beyond mpanifo no bi enti ye be pa hu wo wanamo a wutu ye no edru hefa nti babia udru ye why na nanke wo so ono nso to aso a wan to aso we go to that person no nso ye bisa no saa kopem say ye bedru nipa e wo say oboa na facilitate na saa anu yie no yetumi nya na solution ye nya no ye be kwa kodru ni nyina nti they should be rest assured say ya bayi de can say somehow we are going to be a community watchdog for a year sa ye enkro ne bia ya ahodo a how you be free aba sa ne ye ba be ye wo de ba ya ne ade achi ye tuka ne aba fom ho ne aba ba hwe sa ne tie penifo ede na anamo na mutu dia fa ho muduro he ede na ache ede na kan sinsemu then we get to know the woman ewo honum
bono is an half region for area mo dia yemfa ye ni nkire efie na Yeremu Ashanti region. Yeremu Ashanti region. Yeremu Ashanti region. Na Yemfa Ashanti region for so one how 0548 931 931 0548 931 931 0551 931 931 in Ashanti region. Yeremu na line 1. Okay. Hello, good morning. Open your dinner, baby. I'm free.
If I'm going to go to the Kumu, what you think?
Bama ko Joe Boate Yenti on a pay.
You're fine. Funny,
okay, Ufri here, Quahin. Okay, okay, all right. Medasipa. Hello, good morning.
Morning, Papa.
Open your dinner, baby. I can say free.
You didn't give that party with Catastrophe and Council.
Baba, sorry, it's your pay.
But I have 3 more bedroom and Council. No,
I want the annual crowd.
And I'm sure. I'm more bucket.
I'm up a honey, the annual crowd. Bancrass on the Medasipa, and no dear. I don't know why. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Obapa udin baby akasa free.
If me friend mama ya me kasa free abo kese. Soko ban abo kese.
Good. Maya ade ne how.
Me how ne say abo kese ekwan na wo de kokwa anwoma no. Ekwan no. Road bia ni bompi bia ni. Ekwan twa ko school pa. Abom penyifuo mu. Ha bon kwa mu.
Omo impi no.
Enti me slow say, ye na say pan no be side bi wo pan ni mo ma ameye.
Abo kese on.
Aye.
Maya edase anopai. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Oban kese odin baby akasa free.
To efemi kwasi ma pa kwasi.
Ba kwasi ba ye tie we.
Am kase free bosome free ho.
Bosome free ho, fantastic.
I feel Eswayim number 2.
Eswayim number 2.
Yes, ufri asiwa eba.
Yeah.
Masa.
Aye.
Ma se issue to try kai. It look you see compressor 190. There's a 2 miles away and son what me akutilo bi awoko.
Efri him besi him.
If asiwa ebisi from so back to Eswayim no. Akona your way. The gata one time papa mo ofasi bi wiye. Ambulance dey go far from Achiase ba e go down so ho. Ekwam ho yi no ato ho.
Hey.
Anye bobu yanke funu ka
hey.
Kwa no so.
Ane awade ane nya kra dance ho no.
Me kamachira masa. Na me am pese me ye video ma pese kam me video ku epa so mo station ho. Kuma me tima domanti be demo.
Okay. Open crowd now to man so the fire WhatsApp line na ebenya.
Mate.
Mate. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah,
that's it. Montreal na. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
About Jordan baby akasa free.
Efemi Cynthia.
About Cynthia akasa free here.
Banksman of Central.
Good. About Cynthia into.
Me patrol whether I feel the sun and the
okay.
Yesterday, then she for her and will fear now. Was conphobia there about not interest one year for a confirmed no car was able to be. Also, I know them one apple, a course school. Of course, and I'm mistress, let us say, and one and Kalani school one.
No central, so not the Aqua school one. Abraham crowd or classroom.
Our classroom, Mr. So complaining my head. Family man, on the time, so to say, confront the side, because she are cold, dear.
Hey,
I cold, so good, dear.
They are not so good, dear.
My Thomas, I can't hear one of the official 31st, the first, you come. I'm not born, can't. You are born, can't. Let me get about your call back to master make to a report. Almost 200 cities.
Oh, report almost add you 200 cities.
That was of Matthew.
Wow. No interest me boy. Mate. Cynthia Mayanasi. Where the school could demo there. Entimi masa. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Open you din baby akase free.
Free
Asewia.
Asenia.
Okay. Aye.
Amelia.
Amelia. Okay.
Mentia Semia Mamake. Mentia, if you are more as you are motive. Mentia mu yen, a year and one who could do a quarrel. What time more as you. And so be I and you know where I got so much of some more yen and see. One in traffic go on why passa, 2 1 more account movie. The first moment of number boy. Now, Mentia high. Papa
Mate.
Oh, I'm a Obulu. Why?
Okay.
The Quabli is a seminar making.
Aye. Obulu. Mate. Masi.
Free, Udu Ashiniaga now flow, so on my bed, I do.
Obolo, okay. You do it beside me, don't worry. Mati.
I shall one of why.
Mati, that's
No.
That's an train me about you. Where is he? Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
About Dini Baby Akasefri.
Sam Murphy, no. I think.
Mafia free at Chem.
Dabio, and the side.
Okay. I ain't fan Casa.
Akrokeri.
Akrokeri. Okay.
I think dancing. Echo board acquiring the new.
From Akrokeri to Abuasi Junction.
I'm saying, put if you never catch it. Move it to the lamp.
Hey!
Where they?
You see what power?
Mafia, I was saying they are not ding.
I me say a common crowd how.
What you fear any agase to near to Galamse?
Did it to Galamse or them?
Hey! Now, Mudisi or dear?
Okay.
Mudisi no.
I won't know Mudi if you can't quite cover there.
Hey!
Where they use Mudi?
I know dear, alleged. But yeah, about now you fear name to Galadi. Any crying, yes,
no more they blasted and so say dying.
How many they blasting on?
They say dying, no more handy power on.
Hey, Mate, I fear that. More than any cracks are better them.
Oh, council, I'm not normal campus, and me a shame out. Over on Sema.
I did I ask him. Matiafia, Medasi. What did you say? You call Kwame. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Baba Bibia Bokodi.
A bank cassia Bibia Boko, now so near Busharo to say.
Obia, where your mamma finished your panso.
I feel come at you and the Ujina hang.
They were Obuase Coffee Room, your friend SK Bullet.
Bakupe.
Obuase Coffee Room.
Good.
Mama Kwabanso, Maba Montrance.
Yeah, that's it.
Yet, ya where you see a cola, I was Sompa, Timmy Babano, and the Monitamo, and the Biania, Akoso, one.
Yeah, that's it.
But I can say, me was a name, and the summit trouble, I was Odo to Bri, a Manchester Central. Roll and I'll go tell a boy said a gun so about a cook. The Oba said, who call Odo to Bri, offer. Unya Babia, but you look at fire, go tell you. Nina to cry. And you can't or my gun, and me, I can't my production your man, and more man than a young of us were. You go to Bri, I am man here. If you say Ramahama, or buy and or say, one year you move, what bet you as on your knees on your living or you got my gun and you are some Abway Ama, Aquine, I would go Aquaswa, yes, Senada. Won't you need a minute to be a master center, MIA. It's answer MC or no, warrior, any cinema, is yes, regular Mama. And now saying so, and we are going to what you will do. But Ube Obuase Junction of Vegas yet. If you open your way, a canning, yes, Sewada, the money to from the Amumla, and then my it's answer a quenchia Sibiano, Eliahona, yes, Yejono, Yen for Sebia, a quenchia Asibiano, the day you flew, I met him before no Yahoo Atoye. We will be a Bema SK Bulla, Namene of what say.
SK Edas.
You will see Amankwa, Bokukom, of what city is sending out so, above your Michiano. SK
Bulles. But I say, hello, good morning.
Yes.
Audition Benny. Good.
Doctor Elijah Mahmoud, and I'm well, I could be a boy. I'm going to be a chairman of the birthday, and I'm not for
When area bear? Okay. Yes, yeah, that's a bit hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, you're paying.
Sompa. Morning.
Now, Odini baby are free.
If I can make a free trade.
Good, two gabi and tears, I mean.
The patrol, and then I also to the dash one of them. And how because highway and the other thing, you're so much station on highway. If you're not, if you're like, say, I didn't car crown, you say, why a door home. I will go to my car, which you
oh, my head, the station or ho.
Yes, so much station or one mile, or what time I will at the junction.
Trade junction.
I will be out, I was the soon to be at Plain City. Jama drivers a Tabakwana, Saludan Sino drivers, oh, Jama drivers a medium to so do it. If you do one, blow a car with my car.
Some may boat at Diana station, at how bad at Diaba. Station, no Martin, how bad at Diaba, my mentia some nasi.
The patcher, how Diaba say, we say, let the car cook room, you're quite my brand son with the car quite. Okay. Because to so do it. And I'm
Okay. Matthias here. Sanwano. Okay. Same from Trade. Yeah, that's it. Anti region Kakra. Okay. Hello, good morning. About you didn't baby have free. Hello. Udini baby akasa free. Good. Akoye ti ado pay.
Ano pay mama jani mo apaso ne dia ko posha na me mo busha paso.
Afi committee.
Mama jani. Na me sira ti jalti che ula ki ti ba na foto to na nti do ki bu ula kan do ne japo. E se bi jalti so 200% pamana. Pero ba no bi di mama mo ne dia. Na me check mas le na kan te na minita. But the Jamaica is your family to now, let's let that. A very final, abandoned with you, you shall find. You do quantity. How much now? If you put me at your policy, a dear fire crack comment here, and go far a Cophobia. You go play Cabrero. A quality man put to the who far and yet a year for the better for say. Umutu mwenye chapa, mwenye mwenye ya, yeye sio bila papa, kama mwenye sio kama ya mai. Kama chapa chapa kwa kutetea, ile kwa sababu ndio baba.
Mesome da se bebre. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Oba you did baby afrefre.
Ipacho you the George, you person kumewura so.
George enti anopa every kumawu.
Ipacho e ro ba ra so a e be bi bronu de frɛ Odumase.
Odumase, Rasu Odumase.
Odumase. Yeah, abra honorable Philipaswa when you dey ko wuye no.
Yeah.
Omo be yi ho kwan no na papa. Omo ye bridge bi wo na. E bridge ni juma e di omanfo wo sabro no so no. Papa, hwa so na community park ewa enkula fa ko school e ever so fi school ewo papa wo ko amna pa e da hwa enkula no e fa so e ko school a papa esremo pa mu tuma de meshi kuma wura so yesa da ko no ntia sempa esremo
bridge no omo ye no omo anwi ana sese mame ntia se
ọma ye wi ba gata no mo ye gu nchen no ọma anye hwe wo ntimfo ne to a ifi na se de ho de papa eso to na se nipa wo mu fra
Befro. Producer Befro na yeah, because a school for how we have to deal with it immediately. Yeah, na say no pay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
Open you dini baby akasefi.
Yes, I'm not the Kwame.
Okay. Okasefi ehe Kwame.
Kwame.
Okay, new Kwame, okay. Okay.
Well, I guess in Thomas here. Someone who you could take any detail in what I mean. Oh, I'm telling you, Benny, let's do your area, your area, and in my family could do you could more. I'm a million you as you Holloman. Because when you are Tabaton and Kumani, and I'm in the town and you bring more Yariana, other than Namidi and Mao. Well, my teacher, I said, I'm covering 1 year. You are going to get the Jimano. I would take the Jimano now. You obedient and share your Yana. I said, why you take the Jimano? I don't know what you well, and I think I need to for Jimano. I need to tell you for. Agent for Jimano. You born as an almost by one Coca by the more.
I no cry me to asepa but say wa wonim say enkwada obako school na ntwie ye German ko school mu dia wa wonim ya adwen say no de na atrahye I think say you adwuma na nipa ne ye no kaseti ade mum obe German ko school mu de
Semekaba, me gangue sano, na makoro bota ma police for. Wow, police for me bo konya. Ya police for no so ko dig brat no man ya. Anya nfi for no call. Ani police ni tu bia se ka no wajano. Ya se woje na ngwa na ngura na ngwa tumomulino. Onu no ya no ka ko je takara ni waji ni no ko tine. Na mo to mudu gune ni so ne police ni mo kan gune.
Mate, Medasi. Your point is well made. Medasi pa. Matthias, I'm not gonna sing. I'm hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, boss.
Maybe I told you, baby, I can say free.
Maybe I told you, Patrick, assuming make us free.
Okay, Patrick, ain't you free in a hini?
Yeah, and never be cost of Ghana. Your man, your new call. Na media waka ho. They say Ghana media no aye concept. Anything. See ship na fire service go back so mo ba be see ja. Or mo ba be do ja. Na ye nya bloggers. Abe block kwan. Video. Adan ya wo hwe say fire service ni no be na djuma yi. E non ton chain no so no. It say Timamu force by my fire service why you are Madumana. Now you who are money at Tomo, and you dear friend is even the 3 feet to two film.
And the Nama media and Nama media in our concert. And
I'm media in our concert in the sense, say, amount for trap video, no, say, or more than a year. He said,
enti me ba o se nipa mienu miensa foma na o hasty generalizing is media ni na concert at least eso na wa free ya o so kire wa adwen o
ebinom sorry ebinom okay my last was watching my ebinom
medas
ama ni omo no ya ebimum na ebe ye anigie bia ma omo ebe ye a source of entertainment na ye free kwese ni wasi kita ne pon kwese ni ho podi to no ase fife ni ban ono no wa chiri ni moduma chen fire officer no at the end of the day the fire service for no ba na mo kam wo mo to mo bro wo na mo che hu wo ma who loses why not akoso more e dey no be to no am no ba was saying abamba won timi create nkuko your friend saying adwuma bia ma obia nkuko nketenkete asema wo kan ye no isi akwa akodi den 24 hours akwa akodi den and now ka say omu ka da ban na ya dia dollar abafom there's a net branch 20 cedi and net branch 5 cedi branch you e 10 cedi and then amona e 10 and necessary as a foreign goods I for ama ye wa hanu ne kwa ye ending
okay waka sa fine pa na mbom ene de ye ka ye area issue I think the first one now kind enti my na ase mo all right menko bi hello good morning
Ibajo me jo sono payo
Ibajo di ni baby afrefre
Ibajo me di Hamza you first as a free person what okay
Sefwi Buako my intel free Sefwi dey ba
wadalo ma we dey ka on go kele di on Japan on our office to anta dem and to for na abiti yes na tamba for na general secretary on a public ya bo century na and me community ni ke well hopefully everybody ya mo ya mo ya also be para na about the finish some run about so now about man paying that of me or episode over 10 times. You know about the something. Now there you find yeah. Kumasi movie. And it who fix up some about what that for face one. And I said the money I know you must. So final I got my year over the good more so I say I'm a put you a water finance and yet what did I do? It's okay, that's all man paying. On that water finance no more yes I find man.
A high green pa.
That's my boss and because they are for Kaba. Something almost is here and anything. There's also him who free. I am not being I don't want that. I don't know. I was a job. After Spanish, I Spanish play the lawyer. I'm a Montemonta. This is a qualification. That's because of the back. I thought a cat is one of the old shower. Then put the bed. Won't continue. The next Roman Penny. That's how questions on my just one. On my year. What did you say? What did I find about? And of course, fantastic about one. And also, market station, I will say from anymore. I hope this is the only thing because much of funny number, funny in Ayabasa. It's your money. I buy back from Naya. One woman yet happened to my let's make this again. Company.
Thank you very much. Also, our Honum, Mem Sam Fabinkan. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
But you're doing it, be free.
I am from Musa.
Musa, me and you are not paying.
You made a and then now, I think I think the property can you by one of them. If you cricket property, people can use them. And I'm in the age, there's the young yet enough number. And the news is the Libya, Uticana, now we're now stepping a Ghana before. Now, yes, I want to hope that.
Was already a mamma wow, every mamma wow, every Jordan in ya shall see the news in a bar. The free job the afi ai wadaroma. Kafra. Kafra. Say ya shase why? Ya shase ba radio. Menim say enche kra ye be say nya TV no so. Why? Ya da sepa kakra. Mo request no. Say ama ye nije me hu say ya mo follow nyoma. Nti menim say kakra enche kra ebebe TV no so. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Open case your din baby afrefri.
Me din yadi.
Ajay.
Yeah, I did me tell mas.
Okay.
Masa. On mine 1 year. What are we expecting? Are we expecting magic? No. I thought a conference said ye talk your phone yema. And then my teacher said, Obi said, ye talk magic, ye talk it, let's speak the truth. Woman can grow my 1 year, we should expect magic. The dollar was 17.
Ajay, I'm so Osha or me catch and say no crowd ye yes tangent and they share area problem or say be you bit my cocoa office na hwe say bit my boa amia solve and if you chine corona ye bia homane ye di nkomo bi say why Ajay me das nyame shira bebre. All right, nyame shira Ajay. I think a few minutes Kwame, I think you also you share mama at 1. And yama what to me ayene the way forward for us as of mine. You I think about 25 minutes or so. My main fa course na kakranka ho na yen chocho na otwin brand ye bebre but obende ye hase ye beso. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Aban you din baby afrefri.
Me free.
Good. Eje hwa yetio.
Pacho. Essentially, it's a music and many young. I remember about school. No friend free school, me say, you say, no more than in and you may say, commentary school, no, I'm air crab on track or to
secondary school.
Secondary school.
Oh, it's my school needing.
Make him
a school bear. I him crow. I am close senior high.
St. Michael.
St. Michael senior high. Okay. Say you know more pie koto aduane di. Like how?
You say almost 2 meals and opania via. And you may do be uncle aduane.
Enti anopa de be ma awie de be ma wo. And you ran a wound yan yes, quabonti aquadan and quabontin cotidian. Martin, a friend. And run off Frewo. Or say I twas so down, I said running quantity see.
So I feel no more be a school.
I feel okay. Yabefro, producer Befro, you know Becassa. Why?
Yo,
man, okay. That is very strange. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Open you didn't baby free.
The Almighty Cocodan, because if I touch my
Almighty NTO free at Asante Achamago.
I'm not sure how no Korean meaning the light nonsense, Samono, and Kui my
Almighty Enquire said, Duma na muni be cry.
If I saw as a half current, it was Dumuno. It is a Dumson Aba. On my timetable. And Kui cry, we did it to need a Bunyata. Domudum Cania.
Wow.
And the best almost said, I'm funny Mungo, Komi, my I like nonsense, Samono, and Tina last week. Maybe don't talk Akunya Sunshine of Mohammed Baumia, AMPP, a fact that I am not my success of this man, Jacob Sabayino. I mean, check council.
All right. If I make sure I say you get in touch with PRC now, Omnia regulators, or you can talk to ECG. So, call the next point of call, any ECG be PRC. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Mommy, you didn't be free.
I am great. Me kasa free Kenya say.
Good. Yenti on free Kenya say.
Me back to school. What is bread you bring school?
Obako school wa hen wadaruma.
Edujem
fi senior. Okay. Or say there.
Hey.
Hey. Mate. So close to me TV chache. And more bonny pa back when him say more we can so move our own. Line saying more we can so move our because they two. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Oh, too bad. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
What do you baby are free?
The battle is spend or take.
Good. I don't pay come on oh.
The battle come on and say your problem will hop. I will take just one. Oh my, are you now so the most people go and yes, and Kotua.
Hotel Junction. Tobo Hotel.
One baby, the Hotel Junction. Oh my, is zebra cross to one. Now, that he put the dinner, drop upon Indina. I come on, maybe one and say, cow, what a bomb, maybe a cunu.
Hey.
What a bomb, maybe get any bag or to see the what a bomb, maybe a cunu, your program will offer. Put in a car for Indina. Car for the gas on the motor for the Yapamo. Who take down to one year's level. Why will be my why am not running able to see it? Yes, Clamo.
Bate, Kafra, my mamma answer Yakobat, Yabesha, I am. I can't want some mom. This is very bad. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Adubiase Sawaba. Efijase Sawaba, okay, me and you.
Lepacho Sawaba, current name doom so. Say your business to be
a low current and I say a doom now swaba. Mammy Hunie.
Low current. My word, my science and Jabana, just think of
hey, any check.
Tonight at the end of the thing. Yes, near me and pay it. My sister like it.
Matthew, you who you about my end the course and the course. As now watching your bed and my bed. You ever say ye dear Benny to me, it could do Juma, none in Nama Juma, a mounty. Katie will say, now and next week. The anti-man solve on this week, crying, be making sure say carrying forward. If you on me very sensitive, she said, dear lady friends, see a car body padia, and there we I was a here agent attention. Any matters be a yanuti, see or ya so that is it. We quite be a yaben crasse. One was your new casa. You said Yamiadum. You were listening a year leaders, I umbechi. The antians in credit and befaso. Na ya kakra se beya yenyina akwani de ebi on my ye bit my animu ya ebi wa it will take time kakra but ye be do commercial contract no say ni city some dey ama contract now that president can big push agenda yi ye behwe sa kwan bi ti sa ye behwe na o maye then projects bi old man menim say aban government akachom say president ma akache MMDC sin say a legacy project nititu the area yenwie ye bi o mto also mto ato no tie be di won so that they will see the agency also more attached to this issue. Kwame, so His Excellency John Dramani Mahama at one. So far so good.
Kwame, mami nasi na yensa na yati force omo hawa omo de aba no ye sure mo bo ye be ri betumi bi anafi ya panu yi nso e de amom. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama at one, to me make us say enye bad because wa maye hu pafa or de omhino e faso o maye hu say o adwen po adwen papa bi e de ma oman Ghana because if you look at your economy no where your foreign exchange you know so say the sigina and now so where ya kwan ahodo so ne speed ahodo a wo mo de where agriculture sector and so niema ahodo pese oye ewo hodom nothing so anamo ahodo a otu ne international relations and so are all created to get that link between your bilateral and multilateral partners. Now, one more money that so say Ghana is a country to invest. Ghana is a country only more partner. When you mwase when sansu NC form I think say a year because say over your fool said your home some ACT over your inflation baby ababa bedru over your policy rate na sefo Kwame enya bad the year bomb pie and say enkonko yes it is because we are exiting from IMF and so the positives now and what the policy no dey e buy na ye hunu sesia nemum ebe say pragmatic measures and so president name penifo nso de agu akwan mu no and also na yield resource at the boy because I mean you say you call IMF negotiations bia mu wie na de hu kowura mu ewie bia na ye be exit here we always see this positives say sha say dey ni ho adi mean to mean ka say ye de abasobodi nyina de koma IMF de bi the president in charge ne nkofo and so a bomb modern, but we cannot also take away the fact to say IMF policy no so enyansun so what economy no so for now enya bad from the part of the president and I'm out to know both the NVV and NDC admit say a year and then again ya to about you know President Nemeka say the goodwill yibia ne sympathizing act bia ye onye de free Ghana for honom no ye ba be exit ye free IMF no omi hunu say ampa o mane the affairs of Ghana na fenso die hia de sefata de wose o yes de ono ankasa ka ye say obe free honom no President bi obabe take charge bia cannot retrogress your progression as say yanya ni ba bi opeso odi edru no ye boss empire no say ebe koso asa na fi nso de dikan Kwame Meka say me appeal pa kesipa has to do with yakwan ahodo Kwame say nkronkro ahodo no betumi develop said ye peno na finso ebetumi nso I rely on womo resources ahodo a omo wo na womo tumi push nso dia ba the urban areas no nso na ma economy no nso atumi pick shape pa ntentema it has to do with Kwame ye kwan because a kwan no any link yen from places to places and me kai say from Eha to Kwame down so eye kwan no eya bayira ahodo efiri hoba beans ahodo efiri hoba abura ahodo a efiri hoba ye banchi ahodo efiri hoba eniema ahodo a efiri ho eba no afi wo behu se ebe encourage akuafo no omo horom no se wo mo be produce no more wo be don more the more no so omo produce no obi be ko ayie obi be ko wedding obi be ko program bi wo ho na ni be ko akọ chance on these eniema obehu se oh asase ne ye enkofo production of food stuffs yi ne nasefo yi so e wo soro a ebe inform me say then let me invest e wo ehonum it could be say mama nko gi asase a ebia me go into farming or no be ye ne kese o ye ne kese so kwa me create employment nso no na afi the standard of living nso epeja Kwame epeja no na employment ikoso na nipa nso edoso wo ho na ekọ ho nom no ebe inform investor bi say nipa edoso wo krom ha ma me nko bi school wo ho nom okwa be school no ebe inform investor bi say school fees na so for no ebe na bank transactions na so for nti mami nko be bank nso wo Kwame da nso obie bank nso ebe inform investor foforo nso say akuafo no dɔɔso nipa dɔɔso no mo ye yi no ebi no betumi ayare nti wɔn bɛ yare no mami nko bie hospital a ejina ne nan nso ɛden ɛwɔ hɔnom Kwame ebasa because of road network nti wɔn nneɛma a ɛba be create di aba the tosumieno has to do with electricity no yɛn hwɛ nneɛma yɛ ni nkɔ hɔ see providing electricity to these places a Kwame ɛbɛboa adesua ne nneɛma nso bitumi apagya ne ho so na afi kronobɔ nketenkete ne security issues nso a ɛha adwene no ɛso bitumi aba fam because baabi akane a wɔ no Kwame nipa bɔnefo ntumi ntena hɔ baabi akane a wɔ bia nipa bɔnefo empɛ hɔ tena ɛbɛkye wɔ mo edi afi wɔ nti electricity no nso egyina ne nan so no Kwame it will inform people say now ye establish businesses no so ye behia energy nti ehonum se energy ni gina ne nan so a me ye costo a ebetumi aboa se ebia abroni na sefo ya ye kwakosi factory bi to turn this abroni beans ni bayre yi into other product a ebetumi aboa because nkania nso egina ne nan so ye ma ya ni nko na ye nkania nso egina ne nan so ye nsan hwɛ se ensuo these three things a very key, a basic needs at the Ghana for a coin, nkania, ensuo, ye provide a Kwame, the Akabia betwaso. Obey the private sectors never shall create jobs, at the employment the burden on the government said they be on create job no about ever from. So the government also or chassis any 1 year no about ye. Minim so be found to say a honeymoon. Minim so obefan say a processing period. Minim so obefan say na a preparation time at the manner. Minim so obefan say na opposition the government ni ye. No afei de a woman bia opese afei obane daddy na Ghana for hu no why ya. I think 1 year is enough for whatsoever. 1 year is enough for Ghana to accommodate whatsoever be or they are maying. This is time I also shas you know ye jumani who say a jumani indeed or yeah. However, 24-hour economy no call back kunso efre eka huasem. 24-hour economy no so call back fre eka huasem. Kwame, say 24-hour economy no be jina na so asane ma miensa ye mabobo so yi ekwan ensuo electricity ni nyina ehia ni nyina nso na be ma 24-hour economy na agina na so na say 24-hour economy no be jina na so Kwame, let's not forget to say the demand for food nso be kosoro because ekoba sa pe na se ye adwuma efiti anopa ekopima wia anwumre na najo sa na ade achi a the demand for aduane be kosoro, the demand for ensuo be kosoro, the demand for electricity be kosoro. So these three things, say 24-hour economy be to me agina ne nanso a it falls on these three things. Afen so na security so aba be yeden na aba be ka Mr. President, so who tie me now no a Greek ministry, so who tie me now more a tourism ministry, then as if we tie me a Sanya Mami and say a very, very vital part. I was a moment when you come. Again, mommy and show. Sanya Mami and say so a hiano, a dear ne take it away, Sanya Mami and say. What is taking away Sanya Mami and say? Kwame a galamsey, and na say. Says any nanti ama akoso mono so ayi tumi power na light ni tumi gina na so no ensuo no ze yes no nti abema sa ayi plant yi entumi nya ensuo ebetumi produce so na fe so agri business na so Kwame, there's a lot to talk about but mama fancy ya
Joe, so for my MCR now so 1 year down Excellency John Dramani Mahama, right from time, Omi Omajin said, Omi radio manifesto, and things that they intend doing. In fact, and I'm intended so Mbeye, Sir Osha NDC manifesto in 2024. Abra na yaba betwa ba. Mame Mao key points kakra. One of the things no more preachy much about it is a physical policy. 24-hour economy to boost productivity, create jobs, and drive export lead growth. When is some of catch Ghana for now monetary policy, exchange rate policy, and financial sector development. Insurance and pensions. And Tinyam said, "Na they are teacher for so mu demanded from them insurance and pension." Ade ba so me o madwen say omdi o mani ebehwe pa. And so 24 economy policy, same job, 3 shift, 3 people. One of the major campaign message, same job, 3 shift, 3 people. I know our honum. Sa and so that ade ba kwa omukaye a business development and entrepreneurship. Anuntina NEIP NIP no ho. National Entrepreneurship Innovation Program no CEO Eric J. Honorable Eric J. Sa so no muka agriculture and agribusiness development. Honorable Eric Opoku, Minister for Agric Food. And so ebe kan yo be launching techimine. Now, trade and industry. Akron person faso. We've not seen much. So that build a thriving creative art and tourism industry. So we are December. That December programs are Abeku Santana Mkasumbea ebi flopu ye. I think there was put too much into that aspect because it's not enough over there. One of the things in Sompa build thriving creative arts and tourism. Still, we have some work to be done. Our honum, there was some work to do. Our tourism, energy for sustainable future. And the time into Eguso, you can see all of them about 22. And to show you, then you can rate His Excellency John Dramani Mama in the first year. Added your wire. Then we can move to the second year, going to 2026. And upon my birthdays are Abba na yen sorry so. Na sports for no emetna say. I have few minutes. I have about 4 minutes to wrap up. And so hoti it's a birthdays in Biaba. But my about the 24 minutes, 24 PowerPoints now here. You can read and see, and then you can score John Dramani Mahama. I think when it comes to policy implementation, it yeah, social indicators now, not bad. His Excellency John Dramani by a year on, not bad. Especially fundamentals, you know. Into fundamentals, then we can go forward. Birthdays enough. My sports for them. So happy birthday going out to Prince Owusu Ochre. Prince, and I would that. Yes, say, I mean, sure, I did not dumb say, and ya can say so. Yame and Fonsi Bia a crown, young champ. Happy birthday, Prince Owusu Ochre. Enjoy this wonderful and amazing day. Happy birthday. And come on. Now, I think so. If there is next one, move. Na yenko okay ti Prince dear no say your birthday bia or the send WhatsApp line na ye be nya abotre na ye de amount ho nyame boa ochina ye betena se mo na mo pe WhatsApp line no de mo videos na fa so no 050-943-8500 na yaje enso akan amount. Nelson, a very good morning. Me say you are doing the watching. ABY manager, very good morning. Papa Clef Sompa team ni nyina chame mo amamu nyina anope very good morning na yencha takrade Sompa so anope omuso omo bo adwuma pa ya fra na Kwame Nkwantabisa amanfo se kenye sie Kwesi Joshua executive producer for the show Kwame Ejako also ba anope Jamin Shai no ntin anim chen any me am name say Nkwantabisa also bo adwuma MCR for you guys are doing fantastic job. Jamin show bibia da sene echina ye betena se a ye besan asom ho mamencha boss Jeffon so on so ndi obetena se apostle ni team ne betena se embeba na wemba tena se e die biem the powerhouse embet nasi Orlando jina ho de de ekoso jina e ma na afei apostle abetnasi anko no mtimi boxing analysis nya komo and the legacy John Dramani Mamba Baby o rap boxing mu na obehwe pages apostle atwera wo ya analysis it tells you say on sports with that betin the sports team na ekejiwa anti anopay sports one it nancy no ma bie